Hello and welcome back to the Woodshop Live. We are continuing to work on the CNC router. We have a very cheap monitor here, which is very lightweight, which is perfect for putting on the end of a monitor arm. Monitor arms are really expensive unless you live in North America and buy from Monoprice, which is what I had previously. But unfortunately here in the UK, I can't find a cheap supplier of a monitor arm, so we're gonna build one. I'm thinking of a post at the back here, which will have a turned dowel sort of top, which we can then put two other arms on, and that will give me the ability to move it right in and out and position it wherever. So if the job's actually running, we can have it out of the way, but when you're trying to set up jigs or jobs, I have a camera mount which goes on the spindle, and that makes it really easy to get the jigs set up perfectly parallel to the axis. But you want the screen nice and close for that. So I want it to be able to be moved in and out. I've got the main shafts all turned. These are going to be on the ends of the arms that support the monitor. This is going to be the bit attached to the table. They're all the same size. I have a 40mm Forstner bit. These are turned to about 39.95 millimeters. Hopefully that's not too tight. We'll find out. And I've got on the bottom of these a 25mm shaft, which I can put another hole with a Forstner bit into, say, the main arms, which will go like so. Okay, well, the pieces have been gluing for several hours now, so I guess it's time to do some drilling. Okay, time for the big one. We've got our reinforcements glued in there, so it should be good to go with drilling. All right, 90 change speed. This drill is not powerful enough. Well, that's starting to look very robust. So this will be mounted to the side of the table. We've got these will be glued in place, obviously, the blocks, and this will swivel around on top of. I'll put some caps on top of these to keep them from being able to move out. But that's about all I've got time for today. I've got to take some measurements for the back of the monitor. It's not a standard square VESA mount, so I'm gonna have to design up a mount which will attach to this. I also want to get some tilt in there. I think that would be really handy. So thank you very much for watching. This will continue to be a two-part, maybe a three-part series. I'm gonna have to wait for some bolts to come in for that. Maybe part 3 will just be the router up and running. If you want to see some more of this arm being built, other projects, CNC routers, lasers, lathes, all sorts of cool stuff, please go ahead and hit subscribe. Make sure you click the bell for notifications. Take a look at some of the other videos we've got on the channel. We're trying to do 6-ish videos a week. We'd love to have you along for the journey. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for joining us. Have a fantastic day.